My dear brothers and sisters, myself I am Lakshman Narasimha, studying the third BA Political Science from Silver Jubilee Government College. So today I feel very happy and honored to speak on this special day as our Kurnool district is celebrating the 167th birth anniversary celebrations. So for this occasion, the Manpower Institute of Research and Development conducted the elocution competition and I have participated in the competition. So the topic is freedom movement in Kurnool. So basically, I am from Nellore district and I just know anything about Kurnool. And once I go through online, I researched on the topic and I found one book which is written by our Kurnool famous writer Harikishan sir. And I found so many freedom fighters who have given their life to the India's independence struggle. So I chosen 3 prominent members from Kurnool district, and those are already said by our interviewees. And first is Uyala Narasimha Reddy garu. So whenever we think about the freedom movement in Kurnool, the first name is come in every mind is Uyala Narasimha Reddy garu, because it is his bravery which makes his legendary person from Kurnool. And second thing, Gadi Challa Harisarvattam Rao garu. So he is also one of the member and the father of library movement in Kurnool and also AP, and also famous known as Andhra Tilak. So he established one paper which is called as Swarajya paper, and through this paper he empowered the common man about the political awareness. And third is going to be Damodaram Sanjeevaya. So actually he is from the backward class, and I think he is the second chief minister of Andhra state, and also he was the first Dalit chief minister of AP, not only in AP, across India. So now I would like to tell that Kurnool land is not just a city. So when we compare to the past, in the 1953, when the formation of AP has been done, our Kurnool is acted as the temporary capital of our Andhra state. So Kurnool is not just a land, it's not a city, it's a land where the freedom fighters have fought and also played a crucial role in the formation of Andhra Pradesh. And once again, thank you for giving this golden opportunity.